Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's about time I filmed this video. It's the most requested video on my Instagram. It's an everyday makeup look and you can do it in not more than 10 minutes. Before we begin, I'd just like to say if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So I've already cleansed my face and I've used a toner on my face, and now I'm going to use this rose gold oil. You can use any oil or any moisturizing cream. You just need to moisturize your face well. So I'm just going to put some on my face, and I usually put a lot on my lips because my lips get really dry. So now I'm just going to massage this oil into my face. Now I'm going to take this Armaani foundation. You can take any foundation that you like, that you prefer, whatever is available to you. Just use any foundation and squirt out a very little amount, like just half a pump, and then take your foundation on the brush and just make dots all over your face. You can use a beauty blender, you can use any foundation brush, anything that you like. Just make sure that you take a little amount, not too much, because everyday makeup is good to be light on the foundation. You can also mix your oil or moisturizer with the foundation. Just realized this is showing. Now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. You can take anything. You can take a palette, you can take any brow product that you're comfortable with. I'm just going to show you the technique. What you're going to do is you're going to make very light strokes like that. Start towards the end. Never start in the beginning of the brow. Always start towards the end. It should be darker towards the end and lighter towards the beginning of the brow. So you have to create a gradient, like I'm just going to show you how. Okay, so I filled in the end of my brow. Come on, tiny hair, come out of my way. Right, so I'm using a really light hand to do this end of my brow. And you see? Oops. Okay, so now the end of my brow is darker and the beginning is a bit light. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other eyebrow so you can see once again. Okay, so go darker towards the end. Gone a bit out. Okay, and lighter as you go. If you thread your brows, it should be a lot easier because I don't thread my brows. I've got hairs everywhere, so I have to find the shape of my brow. If you thread your brow, your shape should already be done. all you have to do is just fill in the brow. Okay. So the brows are done. Let's get into the next step. So for the next step, I'm going to take this ColourPop palette. It's the Yes Please palette, even though it says Cute AF on the packaging, but it's actually called Yes Please palette. Can you see? Yes, please. Okay, so I'm gonna take this palette. You can take any palette that has same colors or any color that you like, really. There are no rules to makeup, so do whatever you want. I'm just here to show you the technique. So I'm going to take this coral color and the brown color. I'm going to show you two styles of eyeshadow. One, I'll just do a matte eye, and the other eye I will do a glitter eye. So you can choose whatever you want, however you want. You can, you know, on a weekday you can do a matte eye, and then on a weekend you can use a glitter. So I'm just gonna show you the matte one first. I'm gonna take this coral color on my brush and tap off the excess. It is very important. So now I'm just gonna put this color here on my crease and just move it along. I'm just realizing that I don't have a mirror on this palette, so I can't really see much. I can only see myself in a mirror that's really far away. So this is basically me just guessing where my crease is. Okay, I think I've got it right. So I'm just going to fill in some color on my eyes. I better get a mirror, this is not working. Hey guys, so I have a mirror now and I realized I've done pretty okay. Right, so I'm gonna take the same orange color and give my eyes some more color. Okay, and then I'm going to take this brown color, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to add more depth in my crease. Okay guys, so for my second eye, I'm going to use the second option. I'm going to use this orange glittery color on my eyelid. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. And I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so take a little bit on your finger, just like that. Put it all over your eyes like that. I'm gonna take some more. Now that I've shown you how to do it, I'm going to match this eye and this eye so I look like a normal person. Okay, so now that both my eyes are matching, I'm going to do my eyeliner. So next step would be to use a pencil, a kohl pencil in your waterline, but that's something I don't do. I don't personally like to do that, but if you like to do that, just go ahead and do it. And then the step that I'm going to show you now is what I do to make it look like I'm wearing a kohl pencil. And you can still do this step even if you are wearing a kohl pencil. It makes your eyes look a bit bigger and nicer. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brown color that we put in the crease, tap off the excess, find your mirror. Here's my mirror. So just go on your waterline and add some brown color with a very, very tiny brush. The tiniest brush that you can find, just use that. I've added some concealer under my eyes. You don't have to do it, but because I have some dark circles, I like to have some concealer under my eyes. If the foundation does it for you, then don't do a concealer. But if you think you've still got some darkness left under your eyes, you can use concealer and blend it out. So next step, I will add some powder. This is a very important step. Every time you use any cream products, as in foundation, concealer, or even if you contour with a cream product, you take some powder. You always put some powder on it. You always set it with the powder. Because if you don't do that, your cream products will start to go in your fine lines and start creasing on your face. And setting your cream products with the powder makes the cream products last longer. So your foundation will last a lot longer if you set it with the powder. Next, I'm going to take this Bobbi brown bronzer, take some on my brush, tap off the excess, you know the drill, and bronze out my cheekbones, my forehead. Just give some color to the skin. Next, I will take my MAC highlighter. I'm going to take some on my brush, tap off the excess, put some highlighter on my cheekbone. Can you see the glow? This will make your face look glowy and dewy. You don't have to do it, but I like doing it. I like doing it in my everyday makeup because it gives the face a really nice glow. So whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna put it on my forehead and bring it down to my nose. Maybe a little bit on the lips. Next, I'll just put some mascara in my eyes. Here it goes. Next, I'm just going to pop some color on my lips. Now I'm just going to set my face with a setting spray. So this is the final look. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please like this video and share with your friends if you find it useful.